Welcome to Recipes. Today's recipe is bread bowl with split pea soup, 1 sourdough loaf, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 onions, chopped, 2 carrots, chopped, 3 stalks celery, chopped, 3 garlic cloves, minced, 2½ cups split pea, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon turmeric, ½ teaspoon red pepper flakes, 3 potatoes, peeled, cubed, 8 cups vegetable stock, 2 bay leaves. On a cutting board, place the loaf of bread on its side and slice off the top portion. Using a small knife, cut around the inside of the bread, being careful not to cut through the sides, and scoop out the center of the roll. Save this for dipping later or use it for breadcrumbs. In a large soup pot, combine the olive oil, onions, carrots, and celery, and cook 5 minutes over medium heat until onions are translucent. Add the garlic and cook for 2 minutes. Add the split peas, thyme, salt, pepper, turmeric, and red pepper flakes, and stir until well combined. Add the vegetable stock and bay leaves, cover with a lid, and cook for 40 minutes. Add potatoes, then cover and cook 20 more minutes. Remove bay leaves and serve soup in your bread bowl. Now eat and enjoy. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified when a new recipe is released. Thanks for watching.